This kind of production system is called the battery cage housing system. In this housing system, birds are kept in confinement and provided for. And one of the most important things that this housing system enables producers is the fact that space is managed and production is a lot more easier, especially when there are automated devices that are attached to the battery cage. For instance, the devices that automatically feeds waters and also carries eggs across the production line.